Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Since we've recently finished our Amtrak Cascades train, today's video is going to be a walkthrough of the interior and exterior. So on the back of the train here, as you can see, we have this Talgo cab car, and there's the details on the top of it. It also has vents on the side because this is also a power car. Behind that, we start off a bunch of coach cars here. And as you can see, these cars are much smaller than passenger cars we've done on our other trains. And remember, if you need to know how to build any of the cars or the locomotive for this train, make sure you check out my Amtrak Cascades playlist. I'll have it linked in the description and popping up at the end of the video. So as we keep moving back here, we have more coach cars. And another one. And then right here, this one with only 3 windows is the Bistro Car with the kitchen where you get your food. In front of that, we have the dining car, and you can kind of see the tables in there. And then in front of that, we have business class cars. And there's 3 of those on this train. Coming up here, we have the baggage car, which has these aerodynamic pieces on the front of it to line up with the top of the locomotive. And then we have our locomotive, which is an Amtrak Cascades SC44 Charger with the distinctive X-shaped vent on the side. And here's all the top detail. And we'll come up here and look at the front. And then we'll go inside. So coming inside the cab here, you can see there's not much, but we have some seats and the control desk with some computer screens and a lever for the engineer here. Then we'll come back here into the first compartment. This locomotive has many different compartments. So you can see we have all kinds of equipment in here. And we'll move back here. Right there is a little bathroom for the engineer. We move in here, and here's the engine room. So we have our prime mover here. And this is bright red like they are in real life. And we have some vents on the side. We move to the next section, and this is where the big X-shaped vents are. And inside of here we have the giant air filtration system to make this locomotive Tier 4 compliant. And then we'll move on to the last compartment in the locomotive here. And we just have more equipment. Then we'll move on to the actual train here. So this one is just the baggage car. So we just have all kinds of chests and stuff stacked up to look like luggage and shelving and stuff. Here's the side doors where you would load the baggage car, and we'll continue on. So we come in between the cars here, and this is the business class car. And these seats have the high backs because you get the fancier seats in business class here. Then down here, you'll see this painting. This represents the onboard entertainment system with the TV screen. Here, we have a restroom for the passengers with a sink and a mirror. There's the side door where the passengers board, and we'll move to the next car. Now we're into another business class car. And this is exactly the same as the other one. So we'll just move right through it here. And we'll come on to the next car. So we'll come in between the cars here. And we have a third business car, same as the other one. And we'll move on again to the next car. Now this one is the dining car here. And as you can see, we have tables and chairs where you would sit and eat your food. So this one's just all the tables. We have a shelf for the servers there. There's a storage closet back here. And we'll move on to the next car. This is the Bistro Car with the kitchen. So as you come in here, you see there's a big coffee pot right here. This is the desk with the cash register where you would make your food order. And we'll come around and check out the kitchen. So if we come in here through this door, this brings us in the kitchen. We have a freezer unit here, a sink, a little storage table. We have a hood exhaust system up there, and here's all the ovens and stoves, then a refrigerator, and then we're up here where the clerk would stand to run the cash register and get your food. So that's the Bistro Car, and we'll move on. The next car is the first regular coach car. So you can see they have the smaller seats. And this one has a TV screen up here too. And they also have a smaller bathroom in this car. And then we'll move on. And we'll just keep going here because there's actually 7 of these coach class cars. And once we get through all the coaches here, we're at the last car, which is the combination power car and cab car. So you can see, since this is the power car, we just have all kinds of equipment in here. And then we come up these stairs into the cab. And this cab is similar to the other one. We have some seats, we have some computer screens, and a lever for the engineer. So that's the whole interior. And there we have it, folks. That was just a quick tour of our Amtrak Cascades train. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.